Now we are staying in a special room. We're staying in a premium interior cabin. They have those here on the Celebration. First time we've experienced it. It's a great room. We're going to give you a tour right now. We're staying in cabin number 5372. Let's go take a look. All right, so we'll start with the closets. There's two big closets here. Plenty of room for two people. A lot of hanger space, and then some storage down below. And the next closet, they have the convenient safe. You can run your card through there or type in the code, either one.
We like to type in our code.
This is our magic hamper right here.
Look at this little guy.
I think it's on the back of your door. It's perfect for the week, so we'll put a link down below. You get that on Amazon. It's like less than 20 bucks. It's awesome.
This closet has some drawers that are self-closing. Ooh, look at that.
And they have a perfect place for your shoes at the very bottom.
Oh, so nice. Also self-closing. Here we go. Ooh, slow.
So the closets are a decent size for an interior. All right, let's take a look at the bathroom. Now, the bathroom, gotta be honest, is a little snug. There's a tight fit in here. It is very modern looking. There's a lot of shelving down here. Standard toilet. It does have a mirror here though. It has a makeup mirror that has magnification on it. You need to do your makeup and it swings in and out. But the cool thing about the bathroom is the shower. It's a bigger shower than your standard showers, and it has a glass door, which is really, really cool. This thing is really easy, slides up and down. And you have shower gel and shampoo here when needed to adjust the heat and cold. This knob, and then this turns the water on and off. There's also a clothesline here for you. So this is very handy when you get back from your excursions and your trunks are wet. You just pull this out, hang up your trunks or your bathing suit, and it'll dry off in no time. On the back of the door, there's actually two solid hooks, which is really cool, and you can hang your toiletry bag. This is a foldable toiletry bag. This is Melissa's. It is really cool. It's really cheap too. I think it's like 15 bucks on Amazon. So we'll leave a link down there for that as well. Just trust me, it'll be a game changer to have for your cruise. It saves a lot of space and drawer space. It's a must have. There's also 3 additional hooks on the outside of the bathroom. So you can hang whatever you need, your purse. Got my hoodie there. My sleep shorts. And over here is the vanity. Now this area is really cool. Look how big that mirror is. It is huge, and it has a backlight on it. You can just have the light on in the room, just that light, and it's really cool. It's kind of a dim light. Down below there's a refrigerator. This one is extra cold. It keeps everything really, really cold. It's nice to have that in your room. There's 3 drawers here. So plenty of storage.
One cool thing about this area is the ottoman. I love how this vanity or desktop has an ottoman that is also extra storage.
Look, you have extra storage in there.
And we got the blowy device right there. Also, what's cool about this is it turns into a tray table. So if it's the 2 of you, you can just pull this up and, have some drinks or snack that you brought back from upstairs.
Or you can bring it over to the bed and eat on the bed. It's a full-on tray table. It's really cool. What makes this a premium interior is this right here. You have a full-length couch. You can lay all the way across this, but not only that, this folds out into a bed if needed. So let's take a look at that. We won't pull it all the way out, but you can see that there's a bed in there. So this will fold out to like a queen-size bed right here in the room. So that's cool to have. It just feels more roomy than a normal interior. You know, when you get an interior, it's just like a box. It feels really claustrophobic. This room doesn't. We've enjoyed it because it's very roomy. Now the beds over here, the beds are pretty standard. You can either get 2 twins or a king bed. They put the 2 twins together. Always make sure to ask for a topper on the king bed because there is a seam because it's two twins put together and that seam could cause havoc. So we always ask for the topper. Look at the little dinosaur they made for us today. Oh, how are you?
Now, you know, in this type of space, you definitely are always looking for more storage. And the way they do their beds here, it's very simple to go ahead and put your luggage right underneath.
Boom.
Plenty of room to keep it tidy.
Oh, look what made it into the video. We were fortunate to find 2 ducks on this trip. Look at that, they're cool. Those glasses actually come on and off. It's not, it's not stuck on it. So we found 2 duckies. We were fortunate for that. I did want to mention also the TVs here. Now on the modern ships here for Carnival, they have on demand on your TV. So you can see that any movie that has a green box that says free, obviously, those are going to be free movies. And you can see there's an extensive catalog of newer and older movies. Plenty of movies to watch for a week-long cruise, that's for sure. We might have watched a quarter of them. I don't even know. We didn't watch much movies, but... And you can always check out what's happening on the ship. Right now, you can see all the stuff that's going on that they're highlighting, and then you can go to the evening and see what's going on. So, really convenient. You can also look at the menu and what's available to eat right now. So, it's definitely convenient to have that on your TV.
Another awesome feature in this room is they've got built-in USB. Wow. Now, that's hard to go by on those older ships. So right here, they've got the USB and the standard US outlets. They've got 3 of those, 4 USBs right here. And then let's cruise over to the bed. We've got a built-in nightlight that turns on when you pull it, and also a USB port on both sides of the bed. Now that is glorious. Everything stays charged.
Well, we hope this cabin tour helps you choose the right cabin on your next sailing on the Carnival Celebration. We love this room. I think you'd be happy with it too. If you want to save a little money, we would stay here again, definitely. But also make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series. There's a playlist called the Carnival Celebration. We're going to have 7 or 8 videos in there. We're going to go over excursions to go on, the food to eat, and we also have a few videos where we give away prizes to our subscribers just like you. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you want to join the Rockin' the Boat Club to win prizes, go to rockintheboat.club. Put in your email address. You're eligible to win prizes. We notify you by email if you are the winner. We'd love for you to join the family. And remember to always keep rocking the boat.
Woo!